The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Warwick County in southwestern Indiana, northern Spencer County in southwestern Indiana, southern Vanderburgh County in southwestern Indiana, northeastern Henderson County in northwestern Kentucky, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Henderson, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Evansville around 8:55 p.m. Newburgh and Chandler around 9 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Boonville, Folsomville, Dale, and Santa Claus. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 147 and 148. Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 1 and 12. Interstate 64 in Indiana between mile markers 46 and 60. Audubon Parkway between mile markers 1 and 3. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana: Spencer, Vanderburgh and Warwick, and Henderson, Kentucky.